Welcome to another beginners friendly makeup tutorial. First, I use a face primer from Classic Makeup to prime my face. Next is foundation. Foundation is from Zekel Cosmetics. Concealer from Adventure Makeup to highlight. Brighter shade of that same concealer to brighten up the under eye. Bronzer to bronze the cheek. This cream bronzer is from Farah Makeup. Cream blush from Farah Makeup. Setting powder from Zekel Cosmetics. Darker shade to set the bronzer. Lighter shade to set the highlighter, then darker shade to set the bronzer. Then do a little bit of contour. Powder blush from TM Essential to set the cream blush. Translucent setting powder is from Zekel Cosmetics to bake. Does that one off, leave the other one for eyeshadow fallout. Then brows. Use concealer to clean up the brows to define the brows. Clean it down and the up. I'm using that the same concealer as my eyeshadow primer. Then the eyes. First, I'm using a brown shade for my crease up to the brow bone. Then this light purple shade looks like pink, but it's purple in real life, but it looks like pink on camera for my eyelid. All over the eyelid. Blend the edges to make sure there are no sharp lines. Line my waterline with black eyeliner pen. Use the pink shade, the purple pink shade to blend the under eye, then line the eyes with black eyeliner. Dust off all the eyeshadow fallouts, not the powder. Blend everything together. Mascara for the eyes. False lash. Highlighter to highlight the face. Highlighter is from Younger Beauty. Add a little bit on the tear dot area to brighten up the eyes. Lips. Align my lips with a black lip liner. Lip gloss. clear lip gloss. This is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.